Assalamu students, how are you all? I hope you are best in health at home. The Heaven Education Foundation free online classes for deserving students. And our topic is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which we use in place of noun. And we have many classes of pronoun. Personal pronoun, the speaker. Personal pronoun are words used for persons. First person, the speaker. Second person, the speaker, the person spoken to. And third person, the person spoken of, or names of things. Okay, following are the tables for personal pronoun. It has three cases: nominative case, agent of a sentence, subject of a sentence. For example, Aslam buys new shoes on Eid. Who is buying? Aslam. Aslam is nominative case, and if we will cut Aslam and we will write he, pronoun we will use pronoun he. He buys new shoes on Eid. Nominative case is he. Okay, objective case, objective whom work is applied. It is also called accusative case. And possessive case may belong to someone. My book, my chair, your parents, his bag, her purse. These okay. It has the personal pronoun has three persons. First person I starts from I and we, collectively we, and second person you, and third person he, she, it, and they. The first person, the speaker, just like I am speaking, I is the speaker. Second person, I am talking with you, you are second person, and we both are talking about someone else, that is called third person. And this is the table of first person, nominative case I, we, you, and objective case me, us, you, and possessive case my, our, ours, yours. Okay, let's start classes of pronoun. What is classes of pronoun? Personal pronoun, I have explained. Reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive and emphatic pronoun are used to denote the turning of the action upon the doer. They are found by adding myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And but how can we differentiate between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun? Reflexive pronoun always comes after verb or object. I work, I perform my duty well myself. This is reflexive pronoun. How it can become emphatic pronoun? I myself perform this duty well. Now I after subject, if I am using myself, himself, yourself, it is called emphatic pronoun. For example, he hurt himself, this is reflexive pronoun. How it can become emphatic pronoun? He himself hurt badly, this is called emphatic pronoun. After subject, if you are using myself or himself or herself, it means you are using emphatic pronoun. If you are using after verb or object, it becomes reflexive pronoun. Okay, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun to point the objects to which they refer, to point out. How? If things are near to you, this, far from you, that. Such, these, more than one things are near to you, these, far from you, those, one, none. These are the demonstrative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun used to refer things in general. Some are born, some, one, none, many, any, all, other. These are indefinite pronoun. Relative pronoun, who, which, that, what, whoever. It connects the idea. Relative pronoun connects the idea. This is the boy who met in me in the market. This is the pen which I have bought. Okay, interrogative pronoun are used in asking questions. How? They are who, whose, whom, which, that. For example, who has done this work? Whose book is that? Whom do you hate? Which is your favorite poet? Which is your favorite book? What is your father? These are the interrogative pronoun. In distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun denotes that things are taken one at a time. For example, each, every, either, neither. They are each of them got his share. Everyone has done his work. Either of us may go. Neither of them is prepared to do this. Now, these are the personal pronoun. Now, let's start our exercises of grammar. Wren and Martin. 26 exercise we will do right now. Rama had taken his watch out of his pocket. We will use pronoun in place of Rama. Rama had taken his watch out of his pocket and was looking at the watch. But we will not use the watch, we will use pronoun it for okay. Uneasily shaking the watch. The watch is, again we will use it for watch. Every now and then, and holding the watch again it to his ear. Okay, the boy went into the garden where the boys went into the garden where the boys saw a snake. The boys. Now again you will use they for they. Collective plural and collective noun is here. Plural noun is here. So we will use they. Very soon the rabbit noticed Alice as Alice she went hunting about and called out to Alice in any angry tone. Her. Now this is nominative case, you will use she. This is objective case, this is you will use Alice. Write the correct form of pronoun in the following. We scored as many goals as them. Rama and I were present. Can you sign as well as them? Let you and me try what we can do. Wait for Harry and me. You know that as well as me. It was me that gave you the alarm. Between you and me, I do not believe him. We are not so poor as them. Rama is as old as me. He is known to my brother and me. He is as good as me. Nobody but he was present. He was present. He and I were great friends. Whom can I trust if not him? Let him who can answer the question. There isn't much difference between you and him. None so blind as they, as them that will not see. As them that will not see. Sorry, none so blind as they, as them that will not see them. If it isn't for such as them to indicate to us. Now we will do exercise 28. We will do exercise 28. Tell which pronoun in the following sentences are reflexive and which emphatic. Make sure if you are using myself, himself, after object it would become reflexive. If after subject you are using, it would become emphatic. I will go myself. Now this is reflexive. Rama has hurt himself. This is reflexive. We often deceive ourselves. This is reflexive. I myself heard the remark. This is emphatic. You express yourself very imperfectly. This is reflexive. I wash myself when I get up. This is reflexive. The boy hide themselves. This is reflexive. They have got themselves into a mess. Again, this is reflexive. Badoshia poisoned herself. This is reflexive. They loved themselves so much that they ought of no one else. This is again reflexive. The prisoner hanged himself. This is reflexive. The poor widow poisoned herself. This is reflexive. They enjoyed themselves. This is reflexive. Don't you deceive yourself. This is reflexive. I myself heard the remark. This is emphatic. He set himself hard task. Himself a hard task. This is reflexive. We exerted ourselves. This is reflexive. The dog choked itself. This is reflexive. They gave themselves a lot of trouble. This is reflexive. We seldom see ourselves as others see us. This is reflexive. A house divided against itself again. This is reflexive. Cannot stand. He that wrongs his friends wrongs himself. This is reflexive. Some people are always talking about themselves. This is reflexive. Xerxes himself was the last to cross the Hellespont. This is reflexive. He has landed himself in difficulties. This is reflexive. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. This is reflexive. Acquit yourselves like men. This is reflexive. Whosoever shall exalt himself shall be abased. This is reflexive. Sinai itself trembled at the presence of God. This is emphatic. I cannot bring myself to do it. This is reflexive. Pray, do not inconvenience yourself. Reflexive. I was sitting by myself. This is reflexive. Now let's start exercise 29. We will do exercise 29. Yes, this is exercise 29. Name the relative pronoun in the following sentences. Tell the case of each. Now we will make 3 columns and we will write where is accusative, where is relative pronoun, where is case, which case is accusative, objective case, or possessive case, or nominative case. We will do antecedent. Antecedent is whom we are talking about. The pen is antecedent, which is talking about we are. That is relative pronoun. And this is accusative case because the pen that gave you me is a very good one. This is objective case. This is accusative case. You will write accusative case. ACCUSATIVE. The answer which you gave is not right. The answer is your antecedent which you gave. This is accusative case, which is relative pronoun you gave is not right. I know the woman whose child was hurt. Whose is your relative pronoun, and this is possessive case because woman having child, and woman is your antecedent. Okay, bring me the letters which the postman left. Bring me the letter. Letter is your antecedent, and this is accusative case because you are receiving, and which is your relative pronoun. This is the house that Jack built. Again, this is accusative case. The house is your antecedent, and which is your relative pronoun. That is your relative pronoun. Okay. Harry saw the man who had been hurt. Who is your relative pronoun? This is nominative case. Who had been hurt? The man who had been hurt. Who is your relative pronoun? This is nominative case, or man is your antecedent. We met the sailors whose ship was wrecked. Whose is your uh, relative pronoun? The sailors, your antecedent, and this is possessive case. Whose ship? It means ownership. Here are the books which I found. Which is your relative pronoun? And these books are your antecedent, and this is accusative case. This is okay. The cat killed the rat that ate the corn. Again, that is your relative pronoun, and this is nominative case. It means subjective case, and rat is your antecedent. Bring me the books which lie on the table. Again, which is your relative pronoun, and this is nominative case. Lying on the table, accusative. This is called accusative. This is called accusative case. That and accusative case. That is your relative pronoun. Okay. The cat killed the rat. It has done. Here is the book that you lent me. That is your relative noun, and this is accusative case, and book is your antecedent. Okay. 12. I hate children who are cruel. I hate children. Children is your antecedent, and this is a nominative case, and who is your relative pronoun. Show me the knife that you have bought. Show me the knife that you have bought. Again, this is accusative case, and knife is your antecedent, or that is your relative pronoun. He has not brought the knife that I asked for. Now, accusative case. This is accusative case. Again, knife is your antecedent, or that is your relative pronoun. Okay. Dogs soon know the persons by whom they are kindly treated. By whom? Whom is your relative pronoun, and this is accusative case, and persons are your antecedent. This is the juggler whom we saw yesterday. This is accusative case, and the juggler is your antecedent, or whom is your relative pronoun. They that seek wisdom will be wise. That is your relative pronoun. This is nominative case, and they is your antecedent. This is exercise of 29. Now let's start exercise 30. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronoun. Okay, we always like boys who speak the truth, because this is nominative case. We saw the dog that worried the cat. It means you are using accusative case, that worried the cat. He dash does his best shall be praised. He who does his best shall be praised. This is nominative case. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. She has gone to Chennai, which is her birthplace. You may write that which is her birthplace. I have seen the bird I have seen the bird that you describe. I do not know the man who hit the boy. He gave away what he did not need. There is no one who has not lost a friend. Here is the pen that which you lost. Most people get what they deserve. Time that is lost is never found again. I did not know the person. I did not the person who called. He is a man whom you can trust. Where is the book which I gave you? Is this the street that leads to the station? The letter which you wrote never arrived. Listen to dash what I say. Listen to what I say. He dash is merciful. He who is merciful shall meet mercy. Did you receive the letter which I sent yesterday? What I have said, I have said. Who he was, I could never find out. Whom do you believe him to do? Do you know what has happened? What is done cannot be undone. Do the same as I do. Do the same as I do. For my purpose, I need such a man as he is. God helps those who help themselves. No man can lose what he never had. You should not imitate such a boy as he.